Pulled back to the 20-period moving average. All right, we got a trade setting up maybe for just a quick scalp. We still don't have the volume on the book map. Just a 2-to-1 over there. Let's see here. Nothing to take yet. We don't take the trickle downs. We are overbought on your RSI. So a pullback could be there, but it might just be one of those that drift down. If it drifts down, then with no force, it could whip you around there. No sound. Yeah, it's because I got it on mute. All right, I'll unmute the sound. That works. I muted it because I was checking that sound problem. Damn it. Forgot about it. You have yours on, though. I don't hear anything going on yours over there.
I don't have mine on. I need to add mine.
Let's watch it. This is interesting. Somewhere in here, something's going to happen here. We're either going to bust through VWAP for that quick scalp, okay? Or we're going to reject. This will be the third time on the 30-second candles trying VWAP. You're probably going to be on 1 minute. I'll go to 1 minute with you. Third time you're going to be on the VWAP here. Let's see. Heading into that 11 o'clock hour, 15 minutes, 11 o'clock. And man, it's moving like molasses. Look how it's because the VIX is below 15. Wow. I hate this. We got to be above 16 to get any action.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. This is horrible. This is Trickle City. Just Trickle City. Don't get any price action. You get whipped out too. The other kind of whipped where it's so slow you're drawn into staying in it. Oh, it's going to come back. You got to always watch that VIX. Back to 15 now. 15, 17 a little bit ago. So we're down. It's down 18 basis points there for a second. That's why this action is to a crawl. We're getting that flat bottom in there, and I'm liking it. I'm liking it. See who's going to step up. On the buttons. On the buttons. Come on, somebody step up. I want to see like a 4-to-1. Don't care which way. Hope it's down because the VWAP's so powerful. Here come some buyers. I'm not surprised. Won't be surprised if we have some wicks here back up to the VWAP. And then we sell back down into this channel because we are overbought on RSI. Trying to look at one more little scalp here. VIX back to 14.99.
Nope, there's a buy. 4 million.
Yep, there's a buyers. Still got the VWAP. I'm just not interested in going long until we clear the VWAP. Not that that wouldn't have been a little 4 or 5 point scalp, but see, it's already exhausted itself. The VWAP's tough, man. As we know, right? It is tough. We've sat here and watched it a million times be a massive resistance. But just above it, it's going to take off. We will get us a good scalp right there just above it. Especially, obviously, we always want our volume. Volume going crazy. That means everyone is agreeing and jumping in there with us. We'll just get right out. Jump on the computer's coattails. Let's see. Is it going to wick into it? Sometimes they'll just wick right past the VWAP and turn right around. We'll just be ready to be on the button to take that short too. Don't wait on it. Get right out. Take a little small loss if need be. And then be ready for there could be a flusher. Let's move this up and grab that money from everybody who thinks the VWAP's going to be the break of the day. Not necessarily how it always happens. This is micro scalping, man. Put about $550. Had one loss, $135. Made my day in about the first 40 minutes. First couple of minutes was crazy. It seemed like it settled down. I took a regular breakdown, and it was right, except I had to take my stop because I saw my $100. And then the very next candle, kabloom, just rocketed it straight down my direction.
So this is a flat top,
Yep, it sure is.
right?
Yep, we got a nice flag. It's a pennant.
And it's trying to go up.
It's trying to go up.
If you're thinking don't cheat, just wait till it passes
Yeah.
VWAP.
Yeah. So technical guys will say pass VWAP, pull back again to VWAP to test it. And then on the next run, smart money would say, a lot of you books will say that, but we're just going to scout. A lot of times when it goes through VWAP, it'll have, and if it already has momentum, not trickle through it. If it goes through with force, we'll jump in then and sell at the top of that candle. As soon as you see green, take green. A little more green than you was trying to take the other day. Let it run, let the sound start to peter out. And remember, we're a few seconds delayed on the sound going through the internet like this. Here we go. All right, I'm taking it. I'm taking it, and I'm flattening out at $1,200. That's how fast.
I got MNQs loaded up. I'm just going to trade one.
Okay.
In that trade account.
Here you go. Did you take some at the break?
No, I didn't. I realized my thing was muted, but I turned it on.
Okay, well, I mean, we're there now. You got volume.
It's VWAP, and if it goes
it's cross VWAP. Look, it's cross VWAP. It's running right now with volume. It was. You just missed about 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You missed 5 points.
Let me check. I have 948.50.
Dude, it's going. You ain't got time for all this checking. You got to be trading. You've already missed the whole move. You got to be ready.
Yes, I'm going to do what you talked about. I'm going to let it go above VWAP and retrace.
Okay.
Is that this?
No, not yet. Not yet. Let's just wait because it's made. We want to catch these spikes just in case they're running it up. Like, see what they just did there? Because now I'm ready to short the other way.
So I'm in that account. I need to do a win or not a. I can't take more chances. I just need to boost mine up a little.
I understand that. You boost it from trading. You're going to boost it from looking at the screen. See how they did it? They wicked us. Look, what I was worried about. They wicked us. That's why I was in and out. Now we wait and we see. We still have a little lopsided decliners, but let's just see. Let's just see what they want to do. That might just been a run up, and now we're going to take it back down. Let's see. Let's see here. Not feeling it. That's just what's called an overshoot. The VWAP did a little overshoot. But I knew it was going to give a little a burst there. That's why I just did a quick scalp. Here we go, though. Here we go. There we go. Let's see if she wants to run. Let's go. Come on. Let's do it.
Flat movement. I actually got 23,364.25, and I flattened it 23,366.
Nice. DCA, baby. All right. Where's our volume? Went away to nothing. Nothing, honey. Volume went away to nothing, honey.
I have no idea what I made, but we go open trade over 8.
Yeah, keep it one tab over.
Yeah.
And then you can see what you got.
Hopefully I made enough to cover some commission.
Just I did a little overshoot there. This is just scalping. This is not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. But a lot of these little tricks do work. They're just not telling you. It's not just going to keep going, though. It's just little anomalies that you pull from. See, this is just, I think of this overshoot. I just think we're so overbought. Down on the
$3.50 after commission, I think.
Better than a red. Better than being in the red. All right, let's see.
Yeah.
Here's something about a proper test of VWAP. Let's see what happens. It's definitely down there bouncing off of it. Let's see. See if VWAP's going to hold. Anything in
This
here.
This might be another play if it starts taking off.
Yeah, for sure.
To the green.
To the green. Yes, sir.
But it doesn't look like it. It looks like VWAP is not holding.
Yeah, I'm on the 30s, and it's just a struggle. So we'll see here.
It's starting to get a little volume. 2 to 1.
Yep. We need some more than that. We need more than that.
Yeah, I'm 3 seconds off on the Bookmap, so.
Yeah, I hate that. I'm going to have mine set up for next week. Just going to switch over to it.
I don't think I can log in and use it, can I?
Nope.
So we need to get that $49 sale because that shit's the bomb.
I know. I think they'll still do it. We'll use one of the guys' affiliate codes. Mike has an affiliate code, and so does Alex that we're watching. He has an affiliate code. It still gets that special. And that's much cheaper. You know, Rocket Scooter is up to $159 now, and it doesn't do as well as this. And I know how to put. Grok has told me how to put all the options, liquidity bands, the puts and calls, liquidities right in Bookmap. It'll just show it right in there with the lines where the liquidity is. I got it all figured out. I just got to get it and start working on it. It's going to be hours and hours of work, but I'll get it in there. We're chopping, but we're holding above VWAP. So now,
I don't know if I want to wait that long.
Right. All right. So we're holding VWAP. So we should be an uptrend here, unless some kind of catalyst gets us. So now we're just waiting for a volume spike to take a scalp. And we got very low volume.
Yeah. So it's holding.
It's holding for sure. All your moving averages has moved across it. We'll probably look up an hour and say this thing is just trickling up. Like this would be one of those times you could probably throw a dart at it. Could have thrown a dart at it when it came off of that, when it broke the middle of the regression too. Look at that right there. It's just been so choppy. You'd have been all, you know, look at the lower lows, higher lows. It's just been so choppy. But that the 20 EMA was really not violated all morning once it got above it. See what I'm saying? Once everything crossed over in that region here, the 20, our blue line, really never got violated. It's weird how that always works out that way. But, you know, this is a lot of money in here if you'd had, you know, some lots in there. Here we go. VWAP test again. Another VWAP test. So you got 1, 2. It's double bottoms of the VWAP. Let's see what happens here. I got no sounds. No sounds. No sound.
Commercial. I'm like, what the fuck is going on with my thing?
I got to go to Best Buy. This keyboard is grossing me out, and I need to go get a keyboard key puller to pull all the keys off, wash them, pull the face off, get all this grime off of here. This has been an old school gaming computer for a long time, or this keyboard has. It's a G110, fully programmable. So I looked up on YouTube. I found a channel where a guy uses his buttons over here for a lot of different things for trading. It's pretty cool. Give me some ideas. And I'm gonna map them that way too. Or I just hit one button. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got here. I like it. I like it.
And I was fucking with my screens, and I don't have my DOM on.
Pulled out a little bit of green. A little bit of green.
Stop and Q-Bot. Stop and Q-Bot.
Still trickling up. Didn't really need to get out of that one. Not invalidated anything yet. Still got an imbalance. Buyers to sellers. She's on a roll. She's on a roll. You got to be ready, Bubba.
I got horrible pour. I'm still red. How the fuck does that happen? That just irritates me. I'm red. I'm still red.
Are you in a trade now?
Yeah.
Well, you must. You got in way late, bro. You must.
I got green now.
She's going. She's going. Take some profit when you see it. $50 or something. Because the move is made, so it's going to have to pull back, you know, and rest.
Now, so I got either.
It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going.
But I saw green, but.
As long as your volume doesn't get balanced over on your Bookmap, keep watching your volume on Bookmap. Even though you don't hear it, keep watching it. As long as you're, whichever direction you want to go in is still winning, it's going to trickle at least. So now we're just going to go sideways for a second, and then it may take back off. But I suspect we're going to pull back because you got a little FVG right there, a little fair value gap. That's right there. See on my screen?
I've got 650 on that one.
Nice.
Just I'm trying to figure out what I've got a lot of stuff on my big screen so I can watch my trading and watch the big screen. I can't figure out how I lost you though.
Here comes that pullback. Let's see if we go past. If we put a fib on it, I'm just watching the middle of this impulse candle here and see how much we pull back. Again, I'm looking at it on 30s, so this is not. It's not always the same. People in chat will beat up on me, but it's still the same. Fair value gaps right in there. Let's see if that holds. Pull through the 5 EMA. Touch into 10 EMA. Exponential moving average. Let's see if she holds. Be looking to take another long for a quick scalp. If we get some momentum with the Bookmap, get some advancers outpacing decliners. Right now, we're just trickling down. Volume is too close to even think about doing any trading. Getting a little bit of noise there. Still just a trickle down, just a trickle down. Nothing to trade here. You know, although you see the candles going down, if I go up to a 5-minute, you know, we've had a heck of a run up, so it's got to have a pullback at some point. Putting in a doji. Looks like on a 5-minute, but we're going to trade these 30s on impulse, just watching what she's doing. Watching what she's doing. No imbalance. Still kind of equal buyers and sellers. So different around. Here we go. That's a market buy. We're in. We're in. Here they come. It's a nice explosion there. Let's see it. Let's go. Push, 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 push.
Iceberg and Pusa.
Push, push, push. Push, 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 push. And it won't let me flatten. All right, flatten out for about 10,000. Exactly 10,000.
On 3 trades in a row.
That was pretty good. The moment we broke, the previous candle's high, I went ahead and jumped in that, and this is going to go a little bit because we took out this little small pivot. Again, I'm on 30-second candles here, but broke that small pivot. That was a nice push. That was a 3-to-1 on the Bookmap on our volume.
I jumped in, but we're 3. I tell you, I might have to just. I can't trade this shit with a 4-second delay.
Well, yeah, that's why I'm having to watch.
Process. You know what I'm saying?
I know, but I'm not just using that. I'm trying to teach you the other things too. I'm also watching when my RSI ticks up and when the tip of my 5 on my EMA ticks up. So I'm trying to line all of that up, and then I wait for my candle to cross. And that's also happening as well. So you're right. I wish we didn't have any delay, and that's why I'm correcting it. I'm going to have my own Bookmap. Here we go. We're developing a little bit of sideways action, which means we'll have a breakout or breakdown here in a minute. Breakout or breakdown in a minute on the button. Take it down to a little.
Figure out which direction until it happens.
Yeah, we're in an up. You know, the general market for the last 20 minutes or so is up. Okay, we've had no significant pullbacks. All your impulse candles have been up. So, you know, that doesn't mean we're not going to have it down at some point and break down. But I'm looking for longs here, but I'm not going to be surprised. You know, once we cross the VWAP, Tim, usually you're going to get several waves up. And what I mean when I say that, I mean if you switch over to a 5-minute candle, you know, we've only had one 5-minute candle close completely above VWAP. We're only working the second 5-minute candle above VWAP. You know,
Okay.
it would be okay as long as we don't invalidate the lows of the previous candle. We're still in a 5-minute upswing. Now we're trading well within that. We're taking 30 seconds dividing into 5-minute candle for, you know, for scalping. So but don't be, when you get worried like that, go up to your 3-minute candle, go up to your 5-minute candle, and get yourself like a bigger airplane view. You know, go up to a 15-minute candle. Where are we in a 15-minute candle? When on 15 minutes, we're past the center. I mean, we're not even gotten to the center of the regression.
My
So
5-minute AFI showed we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 up candles.
and on the fives,
Yeah, 7 blue 5-minute candles.
yeah, I would switch to normal candles because that's
Well,
not.
I run both. I have one screen of normal.
Yeah.
I run that at 1 minute.
Well, there they are right there. In 15 minutes, we've had an hour, 30. We sold off at the open a little bit, came down, and now only if you look on your 30-minute, we've just had 2 up candles. Not even to the middle of the linear. And we're just, you know, we're not overbought or anything. So we got upside potential. So I think we're up. And then within that 1 hour candle, we may have some pullbacks, but there's a lot of action. We could make some money in there. Could switch it to ones. Could switch it to threes. A lot of people trade on threes. Wheeling trades on threes. The break of the VWAP on the 3 hadn't looked back. You could have thrown a couple contracts at it there and just still would be in it. Putting in what looks like a doji here now, so it might have a 3-minute reversal. I would just go up to 5 and see if it could occur. 5 might be looking like it's selling off here. So now I'm going to come back over here on my 30s, 30 seconds that is, see if I can't get a breakdown here. Wouldn't surprise me to pull back to VWAP. Wouldn't surprise me at all. Again, we're trading volume and liquidity. And that's what the VWAP is volume.
Almost the same.
Yeah, we're just squared right now, so it will go sideways when it's square. See if we get another push. There's your hour chart. Big old tail down. The sellers couldn't. The other thing you do is go up to your bigger time frames and see where the tails are. If you got a big topping tails, that means the buyers are not taking the market up. If you have big bottom tails, it means the sellers are not taking the market down. And that's more powerful the higher time frame you go. And so this market doesn't want to go down today.
Yeah, 3. That's almost 2 to 1.
See that, pilot? That the break is locked. Now on PC with Google Play Games. There are rewards for that.
Fucking YouTube's holding me hostage. I gotta figure out how to run that bookmap through a screener that'll block those commercials.
It's called $11.95 a month.
Now there's some screen. I've used one. I just Google figures it out and then they undo it. So you just gotta go do a different one. I hate to give Google my money. I've given Google so much money.
All right. We're down in the doldrums here. Down in the doldrums. That we are. Let's see here. I'm on paper trading just because already made what I can for my consistency over here. 550, $135 loser. So 420 on the day. Did that in the first 45 minutes. And so just helping Tim, got my paper account out, trading 50 lots of NQ, just practicing, keeping nimble.
Twitter said, bookmaps with bookmaps community.
It's selling. Oh, it had a little.
Dum 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 dum
When
dum.
does this Saratoga
Dum, dum,
histogram show red if it's gonna, if there's a bunch of selling? When is it?
I don't use it anymore on this one. I use it on trading the fives, but it'll change colors depending how you have it set based on the amount of volume inside that candle. And so it'll start turning when it turns the darkest red, the brightest red, excuse me. That's when it's the most selling. And as it changes colors, it'll start going toward brownish. And that's when it's becoming exhausted until the brown will turn into a brownish green. And then that green will come into a vibrant green. That's how it does it. I far more like, look right here, a big selling coming in. Going to take some of this. And because I have it on mute, I'm in. We are in here, brother. Let's see what we can get out of it here. All right, looks like it took 1,500 out. That was a great trade, man. That was a 3-to-1 on our volume. 3-to-1 on the volume over there. Yeah, I like that. Breakdown in this little area, breakdown of the 10 EMA, and we had a 3-to-1 on the volume. She's still selling. It's just it's not as aggressive. I think I put, looks like that. Oh, I got some slippage. I only got 750 on that trade. One loser, 47.50 was it today's date? Yeah. 500, 47.50 loser, 5,000 winner, 10,000 winner, 750 winner on a day. In the paper account after finishing up the morning first hour or so. There we go. She's a selling. Are you in?
Nope. It's just 3 to 2.7.
I thought you got in before when I did. You did not.
No, it did not.
See, this is the deal. I already can see with you. You get bored because nothing's going on, and that's when you have to be watching it because it's about to go on. And so, like every minute that goes by with nothing going on, that's one more minute close to something is about to happen. You follow me?
Yep. Well, then I need to trade for an hour, whatever the golden hour is.
It's in the morning. It's right. It's the after about the first 5 minutes because that way that you don't want to trade to open until you get really used to it. But wait for the first 5 minutes, and then directions will start appearing. And if it seems too whippy, and I'll show you, the first 5-minute candle is like, the way I look at it is if I was in that 5-minute candle and I only had one NQ, how much money is that? If it's like $1,000, then I wait 15 minutes because you want to get it down to where you're going to be trading in a range that you stops would be reasonable. And then sometimes you got to wait a half hour, but then it's on. It's all over by about 9 o'clock, 9:30. By about 9:30, it's all over. I mean, then you have to wait. Like right now, we should be in here. I'm taking it. I'm in. Let's see what we can get here. I got in late talking. Might have to take a loss here. Oh, got in late. Here comes the buyers.
I'm starting to get some red on the Saratoga at the bottom.
Come on, baby. Come on. Don't mess up my paper account today. Got in late. That's for sure. Come on. Trickle down there. I'm not going to mess around with it. I'm going to wait because the volume is gone. So I stop myself out. Stop myself out.
Just waiting for that magical VWAP bounce. All the way down.
Stop myself out. That was late on that when I was talking, and I should. That was a great impulse down though, and so now we'll just wait. When the volume comes back again, we will take off. It will happen. It does it every day.
Yeah, I guess red. I saw the red green would have been a good time to buy.
Yeah, right here's a pretty good invoicing. 10,000. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 15, 12.
I missed that one.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Take out 12,500. Does that put us on the day? Still down. I got to dig out of a $32,000 hole. So that's equivalent if I was trading regular lots, a $320 loser. Just made $110 of that back. But I'm just trading up big because it's paper money. So that would have been like a 5 versus a 500. Let's wait for the volume to come back and we'll reload.
I think the other thing I'm having a problem with is the ups and the downs.
We're above all of our moving averages, so that's good. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. I'm liking above this area. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Let's make our runner here. This is going to be our runner. I got a feeling. Got a feeling. No, we just took out the
4-4 on negative. And I hit the button early.
It was just a little. It was just a little push. That was a little push. It's all wrong, but it's all right.
I'm -5.
Let me check on the 5-minute. 5-minute chart. Had a good tail there. I think it's going to want to keep going, just kind of consolidating on 5s. So we can't find some more trades here. We're a little bit overbought, so I really want to get a nice heavy impulse down here.
I'm flattening. Give me some green. I'm green. For 50 cents.
Go, go. It's going. It's going, man.
Come on.
It's going, bro. We'll let it run this time for funsies.
Flattened.
There it comes.
Not afraid. All right, why not? Come on.
Come on, baby.
Oh, you dirty dog. Am I out? I can't help you. Yeah, I guess I'm out. Damn it. I don't know. Or you cannot have your finger on that flat button.
Hit what you mean to hit. That's all. That's fun. That was fun. All right.
That was my first loss. I accidentally hit the button too early. Damn it.
It's a part of it. That's why you're on the MN. That's why you're on the MNQs training, man. MNQs and training.
Yeah, great MNQ.
Stop NQ bot. Stop.
Let's just wait for it. What the heck happened to the VWAP? Let's see here. There we go. Chart froze up on me. Had to reset. Went ahead and reset that account. Let's see here. What do we do? Which way does she go? We got no volume right now. 1.3 million over there. There we go.
Stop and Q sell.
Running fast and loose with the paper account. Tim's trading his real account.
Iceberg and Q sell.
You could have got in.
Iceberg and Q sell. Iceberg and Q sell.
Comes the green. It's equal.
It's equal, yeah.
And here comes my Google commercial, you
Iceberg and
sick
Q sell.
bastards. Oh, I got a double. I need to tell Alex to stop running commercials.
Iceberg and
But you
Q sell.
make money on
Iceberg and Q
on
sell.
your Bookmap.
Q sell.
Yeah, I don't think he has any choice, right? I guess he does. He could turn it off. Going to trickle down, Tim. This is just trickling down. Trickling, trickling, trickling. No momentum yet for scalping. Waiting on a scalper. Let's see here.
I'm more inclined to short on this. But
Go back into the moving averages here and then get us an impulse down, be a good entry. But the volume's going away. It's 11:19 New York time. Just drop below a million each side there. Into the doldrums. RSI just off of 47 down there. See what everybody's doing. Don't know what all this stuff is on top of me. I have no idea what that was. Pinned myself. Pinned myself what? I have no idea. Draw. Oh, okay. I can draw on it. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at that. Interesting.
all right, tell me the colors again
All right, for which?
for the side where the is it
Okay.
red, blue?
Okay, so
Like-
green is your 5-period moving average.
Okay, hang on, I'm writing this down. Green.
And all you gotta do is just go to your settings. You'll see it.
I don't tell me.
Green is 5. Red is 10. And we're fixing to have a trade here, it looks like.
And blue is what?
20. And you should have them set to EMA, exponential moving average. They move, it's a weighted. The more recent ones are a little bit more weighted with price. Well, nothing burger. That was a nothing burger. Let's just see. 1021. I'm going to fix it to get into the.
20. Okay, I got it set up, and then purple is 50, right?
Yeah, I don't have that turned on for this kind of scalping. It don't matter.
All right, turn purple off. That's one less line to draw.
That's correct. Make sure you got it set to EMA, not SMA. Look on my screen. Am I sharing the right one with you? In here, these are all EMAs.
Come on, SMA. What should it be?
EMA. Damn it, we missed the push. I'm jumping in late, but I'll try it. Jumping in late.
What is the difference between EMA and SMA?
One is just a moving average, simple moving average. Exponential moving average weights the price action more recently heavier than the older price action. So it's faster. It's faster and more accurate for scalping. That is. Come on, you sucker! Give us some green on there so we can get out of this thing. Took another 10 grand out right there.
I just was hoping I'd get one where it goes down a lot. I mean, what if I don't think I've had one of those ever?
What do you mean? It would drop?
Yeah.
Well, we're in the up market though. Look at my screen. We're uptrending. So the pull
Taken off like or dropped. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, if we were trading on the fives, you would. If we'd have bought down here on the 5-minute candles and just put one contract in there, it's taking off all day. It's only just now consolidating on fives. And you're
we're getting a flat top on the 5-minute.
Yep. We're getting a 1-minute double top here. So I'm be interested in taking another buy here. If we have, see right here, all these tops. So we come up here, now we're here. If we break through here with some volume, I'm going to take a long.
I'm showing red on a little flash of red on the 1-minute. Oh, there it goes.
Have some fun. I'm going to take it to 5,000 contracts. 5,000 contracts. Scalping. Paper, of course. Might not take the order. Might go, oh.
15 seconds, and this candles might go green after all. Yep, there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a hard level to get through right here.
A little bitty green one.
If it gets through it, it should make a spike. We should be ready. Be ready.
On the buy. I got my finger on the buy.
On the buy.
Come on, give me that 3-second delay.
We just need some volume over here on the Bookmap. Some volume on the Bookmap. Yeah, 3-second delay, exactly. We're at 21 and 26. I'm at a 24, 28. I'm at a 4-second delay for sure. I'm going to refresh it. And I'll have Bookmap. I'm going to trade direct from it too. Because I'm paying $50 for a trading view. I'm paying, that was a little wicker. Here we go. There we go, right there. Let's go. Come on, don't. All right. Oh, man. Come on now. Don't do that to Daddy. I got a bad feel on that.
Me too. I'm in the negative.
All right. That was a faker. It's a sell. It's a sell. All right. Took 125,000 out of it on the sell side. All right. Just like that. I saw 25,000 in green. And then it went to 25,000 loser, and then it immediately rolled over. So this wick right here was trickery. Groke. Let's put a timestamp on this. This is probably the only video I'll use out of this. Got a little trickery here today. Was going to play this little breakout of these tops, and it turned around on me and did a reverse play. Pulled out a little bit of money there. 100 grand. All right, let's see what we got here. This thing has momentum to the downside. Had a pretty good push there. Looks like our 20 EMAs holding up. 20 EMAs held up pretty nicely.
I had $6 and I didn't flatten it.
It's okay. We got double wicks here. Let's see what happens. That doesn't mean anything. Look, we just got a little wave. We're still in an uptrend. We're above the halfway of the linear. We're above halfway of the linear. That's okay.
Hold on. Give me some volume to the downside.
See what we got here. That was a great little reverse play to catch that. Catch that market maker on the run. He had his pants down there for a second. Pants were down. Not implying anything. He was just at the urinal. I ran by, grabbed the toilet paper, ran out the door. That's humor, Grog. It's humor. Now there's nothing. Now there's nothing. Now we're down to nothing. No volume. That's how it comes. You got to be ready and on the button. Got to be ready and on the button.
Again, my one trade was bigger than all my wins. My one loss. So now I'm $3 in the hole.
That's okay.
Winning.
That's okay. You're on the button. That's all we're worried about now is screen. They call screen time. Screen time, screen time, screen time. We're going to be patient. We're going to be patient.
That's for sure.
We're going to be patient.
Boring as
Yeah, that's right. We're going to be patient. We're going to wait for volume. We're going to let. Here we go. Here's another seller. Here it comes. Right there.
faking me out.
Let's see. Let's see now. Hey, now. Let's see what it's going to be.
Come on.
Oh, man. The buyers came in at the same time. I'm going to have to flatten this one. Let's see what's going to tick. Let's see the drama. The drama. All right. I'm not sure I got a good pour on that one, folks. 55,000. So I lost about 40 on that. So that's just the way it goes. First your money and second your close. It's still trickling down, but we lost our volume over here. We're neutralized, and the rule is you stay in it as long as you're whichever side is winning. And when your side quits winning, and then we're dealing with a delay because we're pulling this feed from YouTube. When your side quits winning, you kind of got to get out, especially when you're betting real big.
Well, I got another win, but
that's great.
I made $1.
That's okay. You're on the button. Screen time. Tim is just doing little MNQs, getting used to how it feels, the rhythm of the action of micro scalping, reading everything at once. And this is all garbage right now, Tim. All of our moving averages on top of each other. We're right in the middle of a range. I don't anticipate anything go anywhere until after lunch. It's 11:30 New York time. This is basically just getting you some experience. I'm on paper. I've already done back when we had the action this morning. The money was made. So this is just for fun and make a little video. Make a little video.
Now available with Google Play games on PC.
Kaboom, kaboom, boom. I probably get a strike on that. What is that? Kaboom, boom, kaboom.
Going on rewards for and play points for every purchase. Download Google Play games today.
Google Play games. All right, let's wait. Here comes some sellers. Come some sellers.
Come on, I want to get my money back and quit. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. They're right on top of each other.
They sure are. Sure are.
5, 10, and 20.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
because all those periods have been just close to each other. And the candles, all it's telling you is where the price action have been for those periods, you know? And they've been on top of each other.
There's really not, it's not telling you to do anything, right? It could go
No.
either way still.
No, we're waiting for volume. Simply waiting for volume. VWAP's down there. That's a magnet. We're in the middle of the lane. We're basically almost back to the middle of our RSI. So we're basically just that lunch, nothing. This is why you don't trade a New York lunch. That's the part of the lesson here is don't trade this. Around 11 o'clock, 11:15 Eastern time, go away into about 1:15 Eastern time. Do other stuff. Get your charts ready. Journal, whatever.
It's got some volume.
It does. I'm in. Let's see what happens here. Went away as soon as I got in. I'm in big. I'm in big.
It looks like it wants to go.
I'm in big. Let's see. We missed the impulse candle. I was talking, but that's all right. It's fun. Fun demonstration. Come on down there.
There's more sellers, though. That's why I understand why it's hovering.
Just so low volume. I'm just going to ride. Yeah, let's ride with it for a second. We'll see what happens. See what happens. Showing about a $275,000, $300,000 loser right now. $250,000 loser. $225,000, $300,000 loser. Nerves of steel. Computer money.
$5 loser.
Let's see. I feel an impulse coming down. A big one. I feel a VWAP run in our myths. As long as we don't invalidate the top of the previous candle there. Here we go. Coming down, boys and girls.
No, come on.
Break it down.
Come on. Give me $2. Jeez.
You can still stay in a little bit. She's coming down. We're below all moving averages now, so we should be selling. But it is whipping a little bit. Like that candle there is 370. It's 8-point candle. So,
well, I thought $2 for a minute. Now I'm 7 in the hole, 9 in the hole, 11 in the hole. Well, it goes the wrong way quick.
Yeah, it does.
Iceberg and Q-Settle. Iceberg and Q-Settle.
All right, well, that's an iceberg sell. That's an iceberg sell. So I'm going to short her right there on that iceberg sell. Let's see if we can't pull some more money out of it.
I'm still negative.
All right, that should have been. It gave me 0. Man, this thing. So the paper trading doesn't close you out with what you see on screen. That's what was interesting. That's interesting because that was 80,000, 50,000 on the screen, and it did not give it to me. Let me just get a little pop up there, and I'm going to short into this pullback. Just see here, as long as I got volume. As soon as we start getting a volume spike, down there around 1 million now, Tim. Look at that. Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen here.
Come on, sellers. Let's go. Man, no volume.
All right. Got that back. 150.
Come on, you can do it. Steady, slow and steady. Come on.
Yeah, I think that was just a little pullback. Here we go. Should leg down again. That might have been a place to DCA, up there at your moving averages. Might have been a place to throw another one on. That's what I did. I sold twice into that pullback.
I saw 50 cents green. That's it. I'm $9. And it's just showing. I mean, so I got the direction right, but I just got such a bad pour on the start.
You're looking good now, though. Watch this. You're about to be okay.
All right, green.
You're gonna be okay. Don't jump out too soon.
When do I eject?
Just let it pull on back some more. Let it keep on going.
Man, just.
It's coming. It's gonna come your way.
$2. I'm like, 3. I might have to.
Let it go. I think you're gonna get a nice impulse down here in a second. Look at your RSIs turned all the way down. If baby's going to go to the bottom. RSI is going to the bottom. The VWAP is now a magnet. VWAP is now a magnet. Look at your orders. 10, 11, 17, 17, 20, 12. Should be coming down. Might have a little bubble here. You got 10 to 10. And then a 17. Let's knock out that 10. Then we should be able to come right back down there. Here you go. Coming right back down. Come on, baby. This is why I kind of have developed my edge to be when the volume is lopsided. I try to be in the trades during that time. And that's why I gravitate toward prop houses or just use my own money that don't have a consistency rule that includes how long you be in the trade.
$2.
Keep going. It's coming, buddy, because you're breaking these lows from over here. It's going to come to VWAP. You only got one on, so you can't pair.
I'm gonna wait.
Okay, you can't.
Goes to VWAP.
Well, just you see where your 20 period moving average is. Let's put you. Just let that be your stop. That's your stop. If it goes past that, you know it's going to be going. Got to reverse the trade. So that's your stop. You got to get used to sticking to your rules, man.
You mean if it hits blue, I flatten?
Just go ahead and put your stop in. That's right. You flatten.
And that, when do I take profit?
At VWAP.
Okay, got it. I see what you're saying. All right, I'm positive now.
Yeah, it's going to go. It's going to go, bro. You could take it about half. So listen, the way we would do this is pull a fib scale from the top to the bottom. Let me tell you exactly where to do it. Let me just fill you from here to the VWAP.
Give me a little volume and I'll punch at $5. Come on, give me my win for the day.
What is your biggest loser?
17.
I know that sounds like a small number, but on percentage wise, that's not very good. Okay. So let's, I don't know your entry. So you would just pull your entry to, and see where 50% is. But I would say just get some green, make it, get a third back of $17 if you can. Because you got a bad entry on that. Uh-oh. Here comes the buyers. Gotta watch the volume over there. But they've only run it up to the 20 each time. So you might think about shorting again if it goes the other way. See, it's already neutralizing. So it can't go straight down. It has to have bounces. That's how we get the wicks, right? There's just a little wick developing. All right.
Now I'm at 6.
All right. Now I'm worried about it.
7. It's on my 20.
All right.
Wick to the 20.
I'm going long. All right. I took out $125,000. I'm at $280,000 on the day. Nice little reversal trade.
I'm green again. If I see 5, I'm gonna flatten. That's. Come on.
She's coming back. She'll engulf that impulse candle. We're in a little mini downtrend on the 30-second. I'm on the 1 minute chart now. Let me go to 30-second chart.
My 5 minute and my Ashley says on my other screen says it's still red.
Yeah, you're definitely still red on 5s, and you got room to go. I'm sure we're going to test that VWAP, so just be careful. I will take some green when you can, and we'll go get back to playing the volume. Get back to our strategy.
Yeah, I should have punched out at 5.
On the 5, we almost beat the previous high, the previous candle. It's right there at it. If it doesn't, that's a good sign for your short there. If it doesn't, that's a great sign for your short.
And I touched the 20 again, so but it seems to, I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Well, look, she's trying to roll over though. If you look at the 5s, we haven't rolled over. The green, your 5-period moving average is just coming into your 10-period moving average. So, we still can roll over, but this is not looking good because you just eclipsed. Not looking good, bro. Come on, baby. Hate to counter trend you. Oh, man, I was on the 5s. I shouldn't have done that. It's all right. I got it going on. I messed up. I'll have to average down now. We'll see.
I'm almost wondering if I should just add another one. DCA.
It's a way to, it's a viable way to do it. It is a viable way to do it.
Just fast inventories. Top end, Q settle.
Come some sellers right now for you, Tim.
I know. I got my button on the flat. Come on. At 4-second delays.
Oh, I'm in one. I gotta get you out, and then I gotta get myself out. So I'll ride this one around, have some fun. I was on the 5-minute candle when I saw that break, just farting around here. I'll have to clip this out, or I'll leave it in. We'll see what happens. I'm on the 30s now. We're a little bit overbought. Should be coming your way. Here it comes.
All right. I like it.
Coming your
Do
way.
that.
Coming
Just
your
not
way.
enough bar-
Coming your way.
All right. Come on. Give me some thumpers. Gotta give me more volume than that.
Coming your
I
way.
saw it for a second.
It's coming. You're gonna be just fine.
Come on, get me out of this trade with a $5 winner. Feel like I'm doing scratch offs. Oh,
I gotta hit the head. I'll be right back.
okay.